So, before you say this topic sounds completely unrelated to game development, yes, I know, but let me cook for a second. The reason I'm making this video is because I know what kind of person most game devs and 3D artists are. And I know that they are not the kind of people who spend their time thinking about maintaining themselves. And I also know that you probably don't have friends who care about maintaining themselves either. Which means, if I don't tell you, probably no one will. I'm trying to look out for you. As someone who's already finished their Follow Your Dreams arc and knows exactly what it's going to cost you, I am telling you what I would change if I could do it all over again. Take it or leave it. Now, when I was in college, I had a lot of friends. I was poor as but I was never alone and I was always in good company. And I had this awesome Korean friend who was worried about the fact that I didn't take care of my skin. Similar to how I'm worried about you. And so she created the simplest, most easy skincare routine for me. I tried it for a month and the results were insane. And so I've stuck to it ever since, so here it is. Rule number 1. Smoking, drugs, and alcohol fuck up your skin. So reducing those things off the bat is actually the easiest way to start fixing up your skin. Rule number 2. Unfortunately, the second most dangerous thing to your skin turns out to be the sun. Yes, I'm not joking. The more time you spend in direct sunlight, the faster your skin ages like milk. There are lots of studies and examples of people who work next to a window, like a truck driver or an office every day. And if you look at their skin years later, you can clearly see the side of their face that was hidden in the sun is always significantly older than the side of their face that was in the shadows. With that being said, one of the easiest and most important things that you can do to keep your skin healthy is to just have a small layer of sunscreen over any skin you care about. Now, my Korean friends recommended this sun stick from Abib. It's literally like a deodorant stick, but sunblock. Now I'll tell you when and how I use it later in the video, but for now, just know that this thing is magic, and you should apply it every day. Also, going along with the sun thing, a pair of big aviator-style sunglasses really helps to protect the most delicate parts of your face, like your eyelids and your eye bags. The area around your eyes is the weakest, and it will be the first to fall when your face is getting roasted by the sun. But when you wear sunglasses, they literally act as a physical shield around your eyes to help prevent you from getting saggy eye bags and dark circles. They also look kind of cool, so that's kind of an added bonus. Now personally, my brother is a bit of a sunglass connoisseur, so before I moved out, he gave me a really nice pair of sunglasses, and they are the ones that I use all the time. Now he recommends you get sunglasses that have UV protection, F141 shielding, anti-glare coating, and dielectric coating if possible. The ones I have are Ray-Bans, but he recommends you get Randolph Engineering custom sunglasses if you can't afford it. But if you can't, honestly, literally any sunglasses are better than none. And just try to wear them whenever it's sunny outside to protect the skin around your eyes. Anyway, once you know all that information, here is the actual daily skincare routine I got straight from the Koreans. First thing you do out of the shower, use a hydrating face cleanser. There's a lot out there. I just use CeraVe. Then you apply a moisturizing lotion. Again, there's lots out there. And after that, if you have dark circles like I do, a basic eye repair cream will go a long way. Then after all that, you put on the Abib sun stick or whatever sunscreen you want. It goes on last. Just rub it all over your face like deodorant. Yes, I know it feels stupid, but you'll thank me later. And that's it. That's the morning routine. For the night routine, all you gotta do before you sleep is obviously floss your teeth, brush your teeth, use the cleanser again, use the lotion again, dab the eye repair cream, and 2 to 3 times a week, try to put a retinol on your face before going to bed. And that's it. You do that every day, especially if you combine this with regular exercise and lots of water. It's like magic. I'm telling you, your body just starts to heal like crazy. And remember, you don't need to use the exact same products I do. Just whatever you can find that performs the same function is better than nothing. Cleanser, lotion, sunscreen, retinol, and sunglasses. That's the formula. And the sooner you start, the longer your skin will stay looking young. So if you're like really young, if you're 20 years old and you start right now, you can easily stay looking 20 all the way to your 40s if you stick to this routine, sleep well, and exercise regularly. So good luck. I hope that helps. And as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.